Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Myself Shashank. I am here to express my feelings about the Maestro and the Odyssey of the Talent. Hope you like my first expression. Oh yes, this is my first expression on stage in front of the audience. So, with the kind permission of Maestro and you, I'll start with my expression. The day I met Maestro is the best day of my life. From that day, I am having my golden days of life. The reason? It is the positive energy you feel when you are with Maestro or when you are thinking about the Maestro. The Maestro has taught you. The fountain of knowledge which flows through the Maestro never dries up. The Maestro and the Odyssey are the two words which never be separated. The real Odyssey lies in the Maestro. The knowledge which we get in the workshop is just the surface of Odyssey. The real gist is when one is with the Maestro, to observe Maestro, to listen to the knowledge which we get here in our brainstorming sessions. The philosophy of the Maestro is not theoretical, it's practical. It comes from the experience lived by the Maestro. That is why it is easy to understand to us. The Maestro tells us the examples which happen near us in our environment, so it easily touches our heart. There are some stories that Maestro always told us. That stories are small, but the change that stories make in us is deep. When listening that stories from the Maestro changes something inside you and tells you, yes, this is correct and this is wrong. The philosophy changes the way of your life. You start to think out of the box, and you are not just merely stand up, but you stand out in the society, and it's rat race. It gives attitudes towards your life. You start to think from inside of your heart. One can feel his inner voice talking to him, and that is the big achievement, to hear your own voice in society's noise. Faith and love are the two pillars on which Odyssey is standing. The Maestro loves you selflessly as you enter this planet B. That makes you feel special, and you think that I am somebody. When the Maestro says that I am having faith on you, it reaches directly to your heart and says, yes, I can do anything. I think about it sometimes, why it is like that, and I end up on the same conclusion every time, that because it is true feeling from the heart, if you are going to do anything with that true feeling, it will make you a big difference in your life. What the Maestro teaches here at Odyssey to us, the class, how to live life, how to become a human, how to control devil inside us and turn into a human. The Maestro teaches us, don't just survive the life, live the life. We learn here how to walk, how to talk, how to eat, and how to dance also. How to carry the attire is also we see from the Maestro. I was out for the training program. There I thought about the Maestro's philosophy, and suddenly it shows in front of me. I thought that it's all I have already done in Odyssey. There you understand the importance of the Odyssey. The best thing I like about the Maestro is his philosophy of too soon made sad, too soon laid glad. The Maestro always told us about these lines which always remind us to keep up the feet on the ground. The Maestro says that you should not be too soon made sad or too soon made glad. If you are failure, you should not be sad, and if you are climbing the peaks of the success, you should not forget your base ground. These are just not talks, we experience it in Odyssey. If someone is successful and someone is not, while in the society they will be celebrated or tolerated respectively. But here we get the equal treatment to both. The percentage, the success, failure, etc. are not the norms of intelligence here in Odyssey. It is the real talent within you, and it will come out only you are with the maestro. Thank you, and happy birthday to you, sir. Thank you, Shashank.